Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Skyline, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe once more to extend the list of visible toggles. And in those toggles, you are obviously looking for the hotspot one. So if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages of toggles. Let's see if I can find mine. It looks like it's actually not added by default, so we might need to do it ourselves. To do so, we're going to click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and let's find it somewhere. Oh, there we go. It's right over here. So once you see the toggle, you want to hold it. It lifts up, as you can see. And again, drag it over to the top, drop it. Over to the top, I mean above this writing right here. So right now it says hold and drag to add tile. If you lift it up, it actually changes to drag here to remove. So drag it above this point, drop it, go back, and now you should have access to it on one of the pages. For me, it is right over here. Once you see that toggle in the panel right here now, you want to hold it again, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, select the hotspot password as it is randomly generated, so without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. Once you select it, I do actually recommend just completely removing it and setting up your own new password. I will make mine fairly simple, just 1 through 8. It does need to have 8 characters in length at least. And from there, click on OK to save the change. Additionally, you have some other options in here, but I do recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this ensures that your hotspot works with the widest array of the devices. And once everything is set, close it, find the toggle once more, and this time around, just simply tap on it. First time around, it looks like it gives us this pop-up right here, mobile hotspot. Turning on mobile hotspot will disconnect you your current Wi-Fi connection. Continue. I'm gonna check the box right here, don't show this message again, and OK. Mobile hotspot data network connection is not available, whatever. But I think it should enable itself anyway. No, never mind. So because my SIM card doesn't actually have, I guess, any kind of mobile network available, it won't enable. By default, it should, right? Data network connection is not available. Mobile hotspot, USB tethering, and Bluetooth tethering services need data network in order to work. Yeah, so this phone is not getting any of that right now, unless I'm gonna quickly just check one thing. I'm looking for the mobile data toggle, which looks to not be here. Bear with me while I just try to quickly see. Internet, no calls, nothing here. Nope. Yeah, so it looks like I can't really enable that. It's enabled permanently. Don't know what's the deal here. But in general, if you have mobile data, you should be able to toggle it on. Typically, you have a toggle to turn on and off mobile data, but as I mentioned, I don't actually see it here, nor in the turned off toggles, nor in the settings, unless I'm just absolutely blind. The only thing I can find is data saver, but that is turned off, so it shouldn't really matter. But in any case, you should be able to, by default, enable this without much of a problem, and also tapping on it again would disable it. And with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, even though it didn't show much apart from the setup, but nonetheless, if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.